Flying Fish VX3.5 Frame Assembly Tutorial. First, take the bottom plate. Install the silicone logo. Also, assemble the logo on the top plate. Now start assembling the arms. Pay attention to the orientation of all four arms. Next, take the middle plate. Stack it with the arms and bottom plate. Make sure the holes are aligned. Take them to *8 screws and fasten the 3 plates together. Then secure the outer edges with them to *9 screws. Take them to *5 screws and the receiver bracket. Fix it to the frame rear. Now begins the camera section. First, install the camera base printed part. Then assemble the CNC side plates. Flip the frame. Secure the camera parts with them to *6 screws. Next, install the VTX antenna bracket. First, attach the M to *20 standoff to the printed part. Place it at the frame tail and fix with them to *6 screws. Then install standoffs in the 4 slots on the middle plate. Also fixed with them to *6 screws. Place the top plate and position the GoPro mounted at the frame front. Secure the mount and top plate with M to *6 screws. Finally, slip the 3D printed arm bumpers on all 4 arms. The frame assembly is complete.